Madras, and Anju Bobby George is qualifying for the final. But we're now watching the 1500 meters final for men.
Yeah, here's the lineup. Vikas of Chandigarh University, Ajay of Guru Nanak Dev University, Anand Kishak of MGUK, Ram Singh of MJPRU, Adarsh Gopi of Calicut University, Prakash Kumar of Madras University, Hassan of Masu in chess now in bib number 263.
The national record, Jinson Johnson in Berlin, as we will now set off here. Vikas 1, Ajay 2, Anand 3, Ram Singh 4, Adarsh 5, Prakash 6 and Ehsan 7. They'll now come into the inside, all of them, which they have done at the back straight. Like the women, I suspect that this could turn out to be a cliffhanger, Manish.
Yes, man, they've set up a good pace. It's quite scorching. They've taken off on a rousing note. It remains to be seen how the race changes now at the bend.
You know, the boy leading from the Calicut University, Adarsh Gopi, reminds me of Javier Sotomayor, who used to wear those long socks and colourful.
Right, and that's what makes sports attractive. That's what makes track and field attractive, when you have fancy gears also while you're running.
Yes, into the second is Prakash Kumar from the University of Madras. We've got still 3 to go, having started there at the far end. Still in the lead is Adarsh Gopi. He's 22 years old, holding on for dear life. Remember, events from the 800 to the 1500 meters are now considered, in fact, as distance races. Elite athletes, of course, train for events, and we were discussing some big names in the Indian athletics. Bahadur Prasad Manish, Edward Sequeira, Preetham Bind. Then, of course, you had Sriram Singh. And then when you look at the world events, the Finns dominated at one point of time. But at this point of time, you have Adarsh Gopi still in the lead. Will he manage to hold on?
But there's some interesting, strategy in the race here. You can see Adarsh Gopi is still in the lead, but Ehsan is trying to come, give hot pursuit to Prakash Kumar here.
Yes, we're talking of the 1500 meters, aerobic endurance, controlled by the capacity of the heart, lungs and the circulatory system to supply oxygen to the muscles for a long, sustained effort. Suddenly we now find a change in energy. Manish, if you watch them now, the last 200 odd meters, he perhaps said, I'm going to leave all of you behind.
Vikas ran almost like a sprinter in the last 50-60 meters. Milan, the 20-year from Chandigarh University, has pulled off a major surprise. The 1500-meter race so far, Milan, has been the toast of the evening. First the women's and now the men's.
Yes, to me, and I'm so happy that I met all 3 of them, Sebastian Coe, Steve Cram and Steve Ovett, the 3 big names in the 800 and the 1500 meters. But this boy, you just watched him, Vikas, taking it away.
Here's the official result. Vikas tops with 3.50.70. Adarsh Gopi is in second position from University of Calicut with 3.51.34. Anand Krishna from MGUK takes third position at 3.56.67. Prakash Kumar from University of Madras at fourth position, 3.59.51.
Let's go across to Sanjeev Mukherjee, who is talking.